Hi, Tim Hart here. I'm here to talk to you about Active Commercial, which is the investment manager for our commercial property fund, AC Capital. Active Commercial exists to actively source, improve and manage commercial property for our investors. We see a huge opportunity in the commercial property market at the moment. Now, we see that there's opportunity to focus on properties in that $3 to $20 million price bracket, because $3 million properties are typically too big for individual investors and 20 million is too small for the institutional players. This means we're playing in a space with little competition that allows us to secure better deals for our investors. Our other focus is great regional locations, where yields can often be double that of CBD properties, allowing us to maximise returns for our investors. We also make sure that we're purchasing properties that have multiple tenants, so we don't have all of our income coming from just one source. We much prefer to have multiple income streams for each of our properties. Our other focus is to acquire underperforming assets. We want a property that we can actively add value and income to maximise the return to our investors while also minimising the risk. So what does Active Commercial do? We source and negotiate quality property for our investors. We then put the property through a rigorous 300-point due diligence checklist to make sure we know the property inside and out. Once we've secured the property, we then focus our attention on improving the value and the income of that property. We do this in a number of ways, such as leasing up vacant space, constructing new lettable area, and also installing solar panels to enable us to sell power to our tenants and create yet another income stream for our investors. Lastly, we manage the property from start to finish to make it a truly passive investment for our investors. So what's in it for you as an investor? Well, firstly, you're going to get some regular cash flow and capital growth, as well as depreciation benefits, and best of all, it's all secured by Australian commercial real estate. You can also rest easy knowing that you have an experienced investment manager who is looking after your investment. Now here's a diagram showing how our fund AC Capital works. So on the left there you can see we pool investors' funds and then we diversify it into multiple commercial properties. It's also worth pointing out that the directors in Active Commercial have significant investments in the fund, so you know there is strong alignment to see the fund perform at its best. Now if this sounds like something of interest to you, then please register your interest below and we look forward to chatting to you soon.